We're here today with Josh Couch from ADA Enterprises. Thank you for joining us today, Josh. ADA has been deeply involved in swine facility infrastructure for decades. What are some of the biggest shifts you're seeing right now in how producers are thinking about barn design, flooring, and long-term facility investment?
As the industry evolves, producers are constantly being faced with the challenges of the financial responsibility to manage a hog farm. So litters are increasing over the past 5 years and even more like 20 years. The litter sizes are getting a lot larger, and so floors have to be made to support a lot more weight than they ever were before. And also, guys are noticing that cutting corners on the cost of equipment that goes in a barn isn't necessarily always beneficial. Even though the bottom line number or price that it costs to install a floor might be cheaper, but you also kind of get what you pay for. Floors that might be a larger investment up front will definitely pay for themselves and have a better ROI, which in turn saves yourself labor, saves yourself install, and allows you to more efficiently manage your operation and make more money with using less.
When producers evaluate flooring systems today, what separates a flooring solution that simply works from one that truly improves durability, animal flow, labor efficiency, and long-term performance inside the barn?
Sure, there's been a big push towards not necessarily purchasing the cheapest thing, because you kind of get what you pay for, versus someone putting more of an investment up front, which has a better ROI and pays for itself more over time. Floors that clean a lot easier will definitely save yourself time and labor. Everyone hates those 60, 80 hours a week in a barn, and so do your employees. And labor is always a challenging thing, so whenever you have to overwork your employees and sometimes burn them out, being able to manage your day-to-day operations in a lot more efficient and faster time while having better quality litters that wean heavier out the door is definitely beneficial to you. So I've seen a bigger push towards a larger investment up front than before. Sometimes they were just looking for a cheaper investment up front, but then you definitely pay a lot more for that cheaper investment over time than you would a heavier investment in the front.
As the industry continues modernizing facilities and remodeling older barns, where do you see the biggest opportunities for innovation and improvement over the next few years?
Sure. So the ability to use your same space that you have whenever you're remodeling a barn, but be able to handle the larger litter sizes and the different factors that are playing into the genetics that we have in today's society within the swine industry. You need a floor that's built to sustain more weight and be able to raise more hogs to get out of your crate. So if you have a floor that stays kind of real kind of messy and is hard to keep clean and doesn't support the weight that we're pushing to in today's society within the swine industry, we're really looking at a floor or a equipment package that really requires a lot more durability and sustainability. Guys aren't wanting to remodel a barn and then remodel it again in 10 years. So something that lasts 25, 30, 35 years is a lot more beneficial to the customer than something that's going to maybe last 5 to 7 years and break down because it's not able to support the weight that we're pushing towards in the swine industry in the years to come.